Hello, my name is Jane. Today I'm going to teach you how to sign your ABCs. So A is a fist with the thumb out to the side like this. B is going to be your thumb in the middle of your palm with the rest of your fingers straight up. C is going to be the shape as if you were holding a cup but turn it up. That's C. D is going to be your index finger up, thumb curled, rest of the fingers curled. D. E is an open palm with the fingers curled back and the thumb curled in. F is going to be index finger and thumb together, rest of the fingers out. G is like you're saying something's very small and you turn it on your side. That's going to be G. H is going to be similar to G. You're going to tuck your thumb down and bring out a second finger, H.